Oh my gosh.
Get back here. You're too close.
Jessica!
Jessica.
Holy moly, that road is
How? I don't understand.
Gosh.
This doesn't my brain can't comprehend.
I feel like we should not walk there, children. Oh,
Casey.
Taking a picture of this.
Casey, stop that.
Wait, watch out, Casey.
I just want to see what the
Holy.
road is made of.
Cement. I don't understand.
See, I don't get that either. So I get more. It's like wobbly.
That'd be really scary.
Have you been down there yet?
Not yet.
Oh my gosh.
That one that you're on!
I don't think, was it actually Chicken Little?
You look like a chicken. Heat barrier.
Well, let's go.
No, there's the house. There's a car.
Holy. Oh my gosh, that's so scary.
They weren't in that, were they?
Yeah, they said that, people said that it went like some ways down and then they got out or something. And then it went farther down.
I would cry if that was my car.
Yeah.
That's insane.
It's scary.
I want to play with that dog.
It's like a huge crater in the road.
How are they gonna fix this? Is what I want to know. It's my car, guys.
What if it was? I'd be like, everyone out of here. It's mine. Nobody looked at it. There was time to mourn.
Well, when I saw pictures,
Seattle University.
The headlights were still on, and you could see the lights coming out of it.
Yeah. That's scary.
Yep.
I wonder how stable it is in this little chunk that we're standing on.
Real stable.
Here, I'm gonna move over
This
way.
This road is going to be low myself.
Sorry.
Oh.
That's like, go sit right over there. Right on the road.
Could you leave pokes for me?
Right on that park tracking, you know?
Yeah. Hop out onto that sewer mountain. Dude, I didn't know it'd make a really good.
Oh my gosh. Jeez.
I would be devastated. Well, the house is fine. I got a garage. The house is not. No. Why would it be like underwater?
I have the boat.
Walk up around. Yeah.
Jeez. Oh my gosh. Sad. Holy. know.
This is all ruined from the water.
This was like a normal road. Holy.
Talk to them yet?
Oh yeah. We had to get out at 2:30 in the morning.
Oh my god.
Because it was so, I mean it was,
2:30 in the morning?
yeah, I mean if you can imagine, like, it was as high as, well, it was as high as the bottom of this bumper of the truck. Probably higher. His license plate
Oh my gosh.
at the highest. Yeah, it was crazy.
Jeez.
Was this road normal before?
Yeah,
Oh.
was.
Oh my gosh.
Look at, they have like a pond in their backyard.
I know. Should we go?